Be the envy of your friends in this 2007 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.